Some of them have a happy ending, like they got the surgery they needed and it changed their life for the better. In other cases, it didn't. It was a tragedy. Someone was killed. But you have to make it like entertaining. And there's heroes and villains.
You're coming out into the pit. Are you not entertained?
That's exactly what it is.
When people feel an emotional connection to you, I'm touching on a lot of ideas here right now, but when they can feel an emotional connection to you, they will trust you.
When I get in front of someone, the case has been vetted pretty well. But what I want to know, when I sit down and I breathe the same air as the person across from me is, can I somehow be their champion? Do they need me? Do I like them? Do I think they are a good person?
It's so hard, the hit is so hard that it actually ejects her out of the back window. So she gets hit and it's just a massive hit. She goes out the back window, but she doesn't die. So she's on the side of the street. This guy has hit her.
What are the symptoms the person is experiencing and how is it impacting their life? You know, if it's pain, let's say we're talking about, what's the duration of the pain, the intensity of the pain, the frequency of the pain? How does that impact a person's life?
Having, first of all, we have a lot of females that work in our office. Our whole branding, Lady Legal, we're very big on women empowerment. A lot of the mentoring I do, a lot of the interns I bring in, whether it's from the high school level, college level, or from my own previous law school, Pepperdine Law School, we're very big on mentoring. And I like to give people an opportunity that I don't feel like get opportunities elsewhere. A lot of times, they say, oh, I don't have that much experience. I'm okay with that. We bring them in, we train them, we give them the opportunity and see how well they can do. And most of them thrive.
Almost, 15 minutes of a former employee coming in and telling about the conditions and their complaints and how they were disregarded and how they, maybe raised concerns about, abuse of clients or of patients, and they were criticized for it or even fired for it, right? That doesn't take that long, but that's the power of it.
750 people there, and it was a very different production than it is today, but it was, it had multiple tracks. There was 8 lecture tracks and like 15 workshop tracks, because I really believed in the small group training, getting people on their feet and doing something. And that way too, there's a lot of great trial lawyers out there, but they're not well known, but they have a lot to teach and share. This way it gives them an opportunity to teach and share in these workshops with, a group of 10 to 20 people. And so it's a lot easier to get people in that small group to train. And so it was a bit of a transition, but it really,